Good evening, friend. Today's date is 13 October 2021, and today's topic is uh, method in method of string in Java. So, before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadhar Amge. I am from Latur. I have completed my electrical engineering from Yale College of Engineering, Pune in 2017, and my hobbies are playing cricket and 5 members in my family, including me. So don't waste time. Let's start the today's topic: method of string in Java. So basically, string is an object, or it is a non-primitive data type, which is a sequence of the character value provided. It is provided a sequence of character value provided. It is an object. So in a Java dot lang dot string class provided lots of method to use the sequence of the character value provided. So let's see the one by one method which are used in the in a string class. String provided in string class. So first one is length method. So basically length method is provide to calculate the length of the string. For example, string s is equal to string s equal to abc. Then when we use this method for example, when you print system dot out dot print ln and s dot length method, then they have provided the length of that string, means that length is 3. They have provided the length of that string. Length of that string means the return type is integer. Second one is index of they have it is index of method return is character, means they have provided they have provided character character in which index. For example, in string s equal to Abhijit and Abhijit, then when we use this index of method, like s equal to Abhijit, s dot index of a, then they have to provide the a which a character in which index in that string. Like they have the output of this method is 0 because a is provided at index of 0. Then another method is character index, character value, character at. These are the used to provide we have provided in the value in that they provide. For example, s equal to Abhijit, then when we use this method, like s dot character 0, character 0, they have give to the a character which is written to the character, and they have to provide the 0 index which character is provided, that is a. They have to return to the character. And another is to uppercase, to uppercase, to lowercase. These both methods which are used in string class. For example, string a equal to Abhijit. In that case, the camel, the Abhijit object is a camel casing, means lower case and upper case. In that case, we can use to uppercase method to both the literal is to get in uppercase form. For example, how to use this uppercase method, like suppose string s equal to Abhijit, then we can use s dot to uppercase method, then output get Abhijit get is uppercase in that method, and in lowercase opposite that low uppercase method. Uppercase method. And contains method is written given to the boolean, means true or false. Suppose one string is s is equal to Abhijit, and another string which is s1 equal to ab, and in that case we can use to this method to the second one substring is contains in first s1 string. They have to check, is it is it the string is present in first one string, then it's give the output is true, and is it not present in that second string, then it is gives to the output false. Suppose string s equal to Abhijit, then another string s1 is equal to AB, and sysout statement, in that sysout statement s dot contents of s1, then in that case the output get give true in boolean and true. And compare, also lots of method, compare, split, and then split method, value of, these are the lots of method which are used in a string class. So that's why string class is final class, because no one can override this method, because string class is a very important class and special class in Java. Due to this, does not anyone can inherit or the method override in that class. Due to this, string class is a final class. Thank you.